Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is Monday, March 20. It's 8:30 a.m. We are on the way to work. I'd like to take this opportunity to give you guys an update, since this is 1 week from the day that our Multistrada started leaking again for the third time. That happened Monday, March 13. Ducati dealership here in Las Vegas, they were closed Sunday, Monday. That's why they weren't able to pick it up. But they picked up the bike Tuesday morning. Then it took them the next day to be able to open the bike, to check the bike. So that is Wednesday. Okay, the employee that I always talk to, that always helped me at the Ducati dealership, he gave me an update Friday. I believe that is Friday. Okay, he gave me a call, and then this is the update that he gave me. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. We are working on giving you a new bike. Okay, so but he said that's not the final answer yet. Don't, you know, but that's what I believe that's what Ducati Las Vegas is trying to do. They're trying to work something out and maybe give me a brand new bike. That's what they are trying to figure out. How can it be easier for everybody? And the term that he used, I'm pretty sure you guys know about this if you experience this, or I don't know. It's a collateral exchange, right? So I asked him, can you please explain more, like, you know, in detail, the title of the brand new bike that they will give me. They will just send that to the bank again. So pretty much same bank, same interest, same payment, everything. It's just gonna be a different title this time. So I asked him, is buyback an option, like maybe a full refund? So he told me, Ducati Las Vegas told me, it's possible, but it's gonna be a long, it's not easy process, right? And to get a lawyer, all that lemon law, all that stuff. I still want the bike, I still want the motorcycle. Okay, just to be clear, the first option, or the option that he told me, is the exchange of collateral. So I believe that's what we are working on right now. I don't know how long is the process, but he pretty much told me that if I call you and your girlfriend to the dealer again, that's gonna be the day that you're gonna have the new bike, because you guys have to sign everything again. And again, I really appreciate you guys, for those who reached out. Trust me, I'm considering everything that you guys are saying. And that is the update from the dealership. Hopefully we don't need to wait one more week before we have a final decision from the dealership. But as of now, that's what we have. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do. It will help us a lot, and you know, so you keep updated to this journey on the Multistrada. Hit that notification button. I appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Happy Monday. Be safe.